Hey, George. I'm so glad to be here again with you at Baby Lock Tech. And we're getting ready for our 10th annual tech party. That's right.
Awesome. I am so excited. I'm always excited about Tech Party because I can dig in to technology and show you how it can really benefit and expand your sewing world. And there's a lot we're going to talk about. And at Tech Party, here's the things that I love about Tech Party. Number one, the prices are the best.
They are.
Yeah. And that I actually have vendors that I have said, I cannot show your product unless you give a discount. And they all came to the table.
Well, we also say we cannot show your product unless you give away something free to our people that come. So that's another piece to it also, right?
Big benefit. That's why you want to be there. In fact, a rumor is I think that everybody's going to be a winner.
Well, that's great. Yeah.
What are we going to be showing? So Brett, what do we have here?
We have the new Serenity by Baby Lock. This is their new 4-thread serger. But what I think is kind of cool about this one is, you know how many times I've always struggled and like dropped a needle like down into the machine while I'm trying to change a needle?
Yeah.
Do you ever have that happen?
I do.
All the time. As I get older, I have more and more fumble fingers, right? Well, they've got a new way of installing needles that don't require a screwdriver, don't require an Allen tool. You're going to want to see this. This is really cool.
They call it the quick snap needle insertion. So that's the new Serenity. I'm going to show that as well as have a great deal on the Triumph. And we also have the new Radiance Plus.
What?
Plus. So let's go look at that.
Let's go take a look at that. Come on over here.
So in my world, more is always better. Don't you think more is always better?
Mores are always better.
More is always better.
Yeah.
But this is Plus. So Plus is like the next level up. And the Radiance Plus has expanded the realm of creativity. There are more features that have been added to this. And the first thing I want to talk about is this new hoop. Hold that hoop there. That is the new, what is it? 18 by 10 5/8.
Right.
Okay. Magnetic hoop. And we didn't have this width of hoop. And there's other hoops that have been on the market that's this size, but not with the magnetic system that is separate. And it's so much easier to work with.
And we have a carbon fiber frame. So now the hoops have become much lighter. Whereas if you remember, the old hoops are so heavy, they're scratching against the surface. These are nice and lightweight, easy to put
Nice
in.
and lightweight. They've added more edge-to-edge quilting designs. They've added new yarn couching crochet. I mean, it's really unique. And then every time that they come out with a new upgrade, there's features and enhancements we don't even know about. And what I'll tell you about this picture play, you got to come closer to this. This is amazing. This is, I think one of the vendors submitted this. That's from obviously a photo, but that is built into the machine, what you can create with this. And so, Technology Party, what are the dates?
The dates are September 9th through the 12th.
9th through the 12th.
So go to MontavillaSewing.com, sign up under our events, and come to Tech Party. We have 2 tech parties a day at Gresham, then Portland, and then Lake Oswego, and then in Beaverton. Show up to one of those, come, enjoy it, have a great time, and win a prize.